Okay, today we're talking about Google Analytics and how you can hide your IP address from your analytics. Why would you like to do this? Because your analytics can get skewed. If you are using it and you yourself are working on your website or going to your website to see if there's certain things that you need to change, or you're adding something to your website, it would make you look like you have more traffic than you actually do. And the whole point of using analytics is to look at your traffic or what's going on your page. So you might be looking like all these people are coming to your page and looking at it, but really it's just you. So, or if you have, say, like you have like an employee that goes to your website and leaves it on for like 4 hours, your web page on just to look at a page and just leaves it in a tab or something, so it looks like you have all this traffic that is really interested in your web page, but it really is just somebody that works for you. So, and there's many different ideas of why this would skew your analytics. And what is an IP anyways? An IP is the abbreviation for Internet Protocol. Your IP address is an identifier for your computer or a laptop network, or even a location. Think of it as a unique address that helps us communicate with the rest of the internet. Kind of like a postal address that you have. It's the same thing, but on the internet. We can tell Google Analytics to ignore this data from certain IP addresses, so that we can have cleaner data in our analytics. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so when you first come to your home page in your analytics, you would probably see this page. Just up here, you press home, and what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to admin, and we're going to go over here to filters. So on the third column here, see filters. We're going to go over here to filters, click on filters, and you see this big red box. It says add filter. We're going to click add filter. Okay, so we're going to name the filter, and I'm going to put, say, home IP address. And we're going to go here to where it says exclude. And we're going to select source or destination. So you have a couple different ways of doing it. So you have the traffic from the ISP domain, traffic from the IP addresses. That's what we're going to be doing. Traffic to the subdirectories and traffic to the host name. So these are all different ways that we can exclude or include traffic. So, but we're only going to exclude traffic right now. So we're going to click on this, and then we got to select the expression, which we should do that are equal to. So we need to find our IP address. So if we go to Google and we type in, go into Google and we search what is my IP, it will actually pop up automatically, and that's the IP address of my location. So I'm going to click on it and highlight it, and then just copy And we're going to go back over here and we're going to paste. And then we save. So now we have one IP address. So now if you have other locations that you are working on your website from, and you don't want those IP addresses to show up in your analytics, then you just keep on adding and making sure it's excluded. So that's one way to do it. There's another way There's another way to do it. You can actually go and get a Chrome extension to block your IP address. So there's one called Block Yourself from Analytics. Chrome extension. Go there. I already have it on my Chrome browser, so I'm not going to reinstall it. So, but you can install that, and that might be able to help you. All you need to do is just add your website to it, and it will hide the IP address from your analytics.